names, you know, have like literal meanings, basically in our language, you know, kind of like in English, the words like grace and hope and faith, those are like, you know, words in the English language that you know the meaning of. That's what our names are like. The only thing is that in addition, they're kind of like phrases or sentences and things like that, and like just hidden deeper meanings. So again, share this with anyone who would be interested, and comment down below and let me know what you think about this series. Thanks a lot for supporting this YouTube channel that highlights Igbo, Nigerian, African names. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.